Hey friends, if you wish to change the default photo viewer in Windows, then please watch this video. And now this is the procedure for any program, not just a photo viewer. It's also mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum, but it's just a usual procedure, okay? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select default apps in the right pane, and then let's say that you wish to use photos as the new default photo viewer. Okay, I'll try to find photos here. Okay, photos. Now select the format for which you want it to be the default photo viewer. Let's say you want it for JPG. Okay, so I'll search for JPG, and both JPEG. I will select photos as the default viewer, and I'll select photos as the default viewer for JPG as well. And I can also do it for PNG and other files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.